Garland pose. From Tadasana, bring your feet hip-width distance apart or step as wide as your mat. Release your hands to the floor. Bring the hips down to the floor. Lengthen your spine. Bring your hands into prayer. Elbows pressed against the inner thighs. You can also rotate your feet outward to make it easier. Inhale, expanding your chest, possibly bringing your shoulder blades closer together. Exhale, feel the hips opening and your lower back releasing. Hold it here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly make your way into a seated position.